Okay, for those who have these type of reefers and you want to install the GPS on it, this GPS pins every 30 seconds. It tells you turn by turn where it's going all over the United States. It comes with the app on the phone. You'll be able to track it from the app. You can go back and see the history, almost up to a year, stop by stop on a calendar where it's been. Tells you the driving behavior. It gives you every time the reefer moves, it gives you an alert to your phone. It can be sent by text message or push notification in your app. And you can also set up a geofence, so when the reefer leaves the yard, you'll get an alert, and when it comes back, you get another alert. You also can do a speed alert on the device. We do have mobile service. We cover all the way to Homestead, Miami, and Fort Lauderdale. For those who have these type of reefers and trailers, give us a call. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. This is Auto Alarm Specialist, and the units are also 5G. Thank you for watching this video.